Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the artificial kidney or hemodialysis. Before this, I want to discuss about dialysis. What do you mean by dialysis? Dialysis means separation of small particles from blood or from one fluid to another fluid through semi-permeable membrane. You can see through this diagram. Here is a semi-permeable membrane or selective permeable membrane through which small particles of blood such as toxic substance or waste material that passes through this membrane and get mixed in dialysate or dialyzing solution. You can see here clearly the small particles such as waste product. These waste products are urea, ammonia, excess of minerals get passed through this selective permeable membrane to another fluid, that is dialyzing solution. These dialyzing solution get mixed with glucose, amino acid and some useful minerals. The concentration of this dialyzing solution is same as the concentration of our blood plasma. Now, next topic, that is renal failure. Why is renal failure? Due to certain pathogenic infection, injury, there is renal insufficiency to purify the blood, which cause accumulation of toxic nitrogenous waste such as urea that cause uremia. Uremia is fatal, which leads to death of patient. That's why artificial kidney or hemodialysis is needed. You can see through this diagram. There is a device that is made up of cellophane tube, which is made up of selective permeable membrane that is embedded in dialyzing solution. Here is a bag-like structure in which cellophane tubes are embedded. First of all, the blood is pumped out through this pump and it become cooled at 0 degrees centigrade and get mixed with heparin. Heparin is a substance which prevents the blood to clot, because when blood pump out from the body, it starts to clot. That's why these anticoagulant substances get mixed. Now this blood passes through this tube, where it get, by the process of diffusion, the small particles or toxic substances get mixed in the dialyzing solution, and after that this blood passes through this tube and enter to the veins of the patient. Before entering the blood into the veins, the blood get warm at body temperature. Here there are two containers. In one container, fresh dialyzing solution which contains some useful substances. The used dialyzing solution passed out through this tube and get collected in this another container. As we know, there are 180 liter nephric filtrate prepared per day. Nephric filtrate, and only 1 to 2 liter urine is excreted per day. That's all.